Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to set your profile photo in the Messenger app on your PC, especially after the latest update. A fresh profile picture can help you stand out and make your conversations more personal, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your computer. Once it's running, take a look at the left side menu where you'll find your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it to access your account settings. Next, you'll see the option labeled Preferences. Click on that and then find the section that says Your Photo. This step is important as it leads you to where you can update your profile image. Now, on the following page, click on your current profile photo. This will allow you to make changes to it. After that, you'll see the option to Choose Profile Picture. Click on this and you'll be able to browse your files to select an image that you want to use as your new profile picture. Once you've picked the perfect image, don't forget to confirm the step. This will save your new profile picture and update it across Messenger. And there you have it. You've successfully set a new profile photo in the Messenger app on your PC. Now you're ready to connect with your friends and family with a fresh look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.